Hello guys, welcome once again. Thank you for joining me for this next session of creating this spiral binder. The last time we did this, we only covered this particular binder. We covered the cover part of it, and today I'll be showing you guys how to put the insert, the white insert, and also give you some ways to decorate this and to include these little stickers on them. Alright guys, today this video should be quick, hopefully, and I'm going to show you how to do this particular section also. And there's something I also created that will be my next video, so make sure you are subscribed and make sure you hit the bell notification so you will know when I upload a new video. So this also is something I created. I created this particular binder today, but that will be the next video I will be doing. I also used PowerPoint for it. As you can see, this is where everything was created, and you guys can follow me step by step as I show you guys how to create this in my next video. Okay, so for now we're going to go back to creating something. Let's see, I'm going to go back to creating something like this. Okay, so let's go back to our PowerPoint. So this was where we stopped yesterday, and to create the insert, all we have to do now is to just move this for now. Okay, hope you've saved everything. Okay, hope you've saved it. If you've not saved it, you save it now, all right, by going to File, Export, and you click on Create PDF and save that. Okay, all right, so just take this and I will move it to this place for now. Actually, let me undo that. I'm going to highlight, oops, making a mess here already. Okay, I'm going to highlight all of this and I'm just going to drag them here. Highlighting them all together makes me will give me the ability to just move everything all at once instead of one by one. Okay, click out of that. So now we're going to go to Insert and go to Shapes and down to this rectangle. Click on that, and now you want to draw a rectangle inside this. Alright, now hold your Alt key on your keyboard and just drag this up. Alright, that should be fine. And drag this one up as well while you're holding your Alt key, and that should be fine. So now you want to drag all of this holding your Alt key to just go over the circle, alright, over the punch holes a little bit. Let me drag this down a little bit. Okay, so now let's see if this can go over. Alright, so I'm going to drag this one as well because I don't want it to overlap with the white stitches. Okay, just a little bit, a tad right there. Okay, alright, so now you're going to go to Shape Outline and you're going to go No Outline, and you're going to go to Shape Fill. Let's do white, or you can do off-white a little bit. So we did off-white. Now you're going to go to Send Back and click 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, you click 4 and it goes all the way back. Alright, so it's looking good, right? So now to have that effect, or see if it's it's more than one page on this binder, you can click on inside of this and go to Shadow, and want to give a right offset. Click on that once and increase this a little bit and increase this to the blur a little bit. And now while you still there, I want you to hold Control for Windows and Command for Mac, so Control D to duplicate. And now I want you to come to Shape Fill, and I want you to go to this one here, maybe darker, and come to this fill right here. So I went from the shadow to this fill, okay? And then I just increase the transparency a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna make sure it overlaps a little bit. See that? It's overlapping the original. So the duplicated one that I just did now, that I'm moving around now, I'm going to make sure it overlaps a little bit. It also has that drop shadow. You see the shadow around here? So that's good. So you want to make sure it overlaps a little bit. See that? And you drop it. You let it go. And now you're going to go to send to back. Click once, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So now you see it's behind the original. And now if you look, if you zoom in, you can see that it looks like there are more pages right there. Or you can go to your slide show and you can see it right there. It looks like there are more pages, right? Okay, hit on escape to go back and you can zoom back to your original size. All right, so we've done that. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to use this flap or buckle. So I'm going to take this, I don't want to take this whole thing out. So I'm going to, since it's already joined to it, what I can do, I can make it smaller. I can make it that small, okay? And I'll try and center that. Center that right there. Now I'm going to copy everything. All right. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to see, let me go to shape format. I'm going to go to rotate and let's rotate this horizontal. Okay. Click on that. Click out of that. Let's move this out a little bit right there. Okay, make sure it's centered. Okay, let's leave it right there and you highlight everything and let's drag it and you put it right there. All right, so you put it right there and now we're going to send, before we send it to back, let's go to shape, group, and you group them all together now. Okay, and now let's send them to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let me see if I hit a 6th one, what happens? Okay, it disappears, so bring it back up 1 and right there. See what we did there? All right, so that looks good. You're done. Actually, you're done with this. All you have to do now is just put the apps that are just like this. You don't have to put them here. You can put them later, but and just put your name here or the title of your binder or whatever I want to put here is up to you. All right. So now you can go to, let's go back there. And now let's put some app, and it's easy. Go to insert and go to icon. You must make sure you have an internet connection for this to work. Okay, if you don't have internet connection, this part will not work. Okay, so now you can put in whatever you want. So let's say calendar. Let's pick this one, and the next one you can put work. You can add this or that, whichever one you want. And let's put next one, let's put family. Let's drag this one in there. Let's check that one in there. The next one you can put finance. Oops. Let's pick whatever we want here. You can do a wallet, or you can do, let's do this cash. Alright, so they are all here. All you have to do is just separate them, okay? So we have this one here. You can increase the size if you want. And next one is work. Increase the size too. Let's see what size this one was. So this one was 1.2. Let's make all of them the same size, alright? Okay, drag them up right there. Grab the one with the house. 1.2, 1.2. Grab the one with the money or finance. Alright, so now we're going to try and put them to align them together. Alright, so you're going to drag all of them together, copy them all and go to align, and let's see here. There's the top, okay, and then you go back to align and let's do distribute horizontal. Okay, so now it spaces them equally, okay? And so right here you can start to either change the colors to what color you want. So here you can do, let's go to color fill, graphics color fill right here, and you can just soften that brightness a little bit of the black. I do the same here. Whatever color you want, guys, this is your choice now, okay? Whatever color you want to use, you can use here. For money, some of you will use green, which is okay. Just to follow the consistency of this binder, I'm using soft black colors to go with the consistency, alright? So this is it, guys. So you can write your name here. You can do whatever you want to do with this open page. You can put a calendar here. You can do whatever you want to do with it. And with OneNote, you can also link them. Like here, I just use this as an example. So I link my calendar to this page here, okay? And my April 1st, I just did something like this, and it's simple. It's a simple planner that I made here. Anybody can do it. So all I did was just the days of the month right here, and the calendar is right here for April, and I just have appointments right here, and I have to-do list here, and I just have my sticky notes here. So here you guys can start beautifying your planner with this. It's a simple planner. It's not the major planner that I use. It's just what I'm creating for an example for people to see what they can do with this particular style of planner, or this portrait style of planner. The planner that I use is this one that I use in my day-to-day. Is this one that I use, and if I go with that, so today was 23rd, so I went to work and this was what was done today. So this is what is active, what I use on my day-to-day planning. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you have any question, let me know. If you have any comment, put it down in the comment below. And if you want to see videos on how to do this particular one, also leave a comment down there below and let me know, and I'll show you guys how to do that. And I can also do a tutorial on how to create a simple planner just like this. This is weekly planner right here, and this is your daily planner, so everything is just together instead of separate. So I just added everything together. Again, let me know if you're interested in creating something like this, and I'll be happy to do that. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and share it with other people who you think will benefit from this. And thank you for stopping by once again. My name is Chris, and this is Crisp Digitals. Talk to you guys later. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.